How to change profile picture in Pocket option. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. To change your profile picture on Pocket option, first of all, open the Pocket option application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, go to the upper left hand corner and tap on your profile picture. Now, after you do that, you'll see this expanded menu where you need to click Profile. Inside Profile, select Profile once again, and you will be able to see this interface where you need to go to this avatar section and click on the click or drop image here button. Now allow access to your device's camera to take pictures or record video. And once you do that, you can go ahead and tap on the photo icon in order to take a picture from your device. You can take a selfie and upload it on your Pocket option account. You can also select one of your photos from your Files or Photos and Videos app. Choose the photo you want to use as your profile avatar and click Done. Now wait for a few seconds and you'll be able to see your picture previewed. Simply go ahead and adjust the image within the frame and click Save. Now right after you do that, you will be able to upload your avatar in Pocket option. Now you'll see your profile picture visible. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.